Are people tagging you in random posts, embarrassing photos, or unwanted content? What if I told you you can completely control who can tag you and who can see tagged posts on your profile? Today, I'll show you the official Facebook privacy setting to stop unwanted tagging in less than 1 minute. Stay till the end. This will protect your profile reputation. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we turn normal users into smart Facebook privacy masters. In this video, I'll show you how to control tagging and mentions using Facebook's built-in privacy tools. No extra apps. No risky tricks. 100% safe and official. Let's start. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Open menu. Tap on the three-dot menu icon. Step 3. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Step 4. Go to Audience and Visibility. Now scroll and tap Audience and Visibility. This is where profile privacy lives. Step 5. Open Profile and Tagging. Tap on Profile and Tagging. Step 6. Open Tagging and Implied Mentions. Now tap Tagging and Implied Mentions. This controls tag visibility. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want more Facebook privacy tricks, account protection guides, and smart digital tips, subscribe to Preyo Phonie. Like this video to support the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss updates. Now let's block unwanted tags. Step 7. Change tag visibility. Tap on Who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. Now select Only Me. Step 8. Save settings. Tap Save. Boom! Now nobody except you can see posts where you are tagged on your profile. What this setting does. After enabling this, stops public tag exposure, protects your profile image, prevents embarrassment, controls unwanted mentions, improves privacy, keeps timeline clean. Pro tip, extra protection. For maximum safety, also enable review tags people add to your posts. Review posts you're tagged in. This gives you approval control before anything appears on your profile. Now, you know how to stop people from tagging you on Facebook and take full control of your profile privacy. Remember, your timeline is your digital space. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share with friends, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because here, we don't let others control our profiles. We control our privacy. See you in the next powerful Facebook tutorial.